Isaac's birthday today. He's opening presents. He's getting help with his brother.
Whoa.
What is that?
What
It's
is
for
it?
playing baseball.
Cool, bud.
Yeah.
It's a batting tee.
Isaac,
So you can hit the
Isaac,
ball.
You want to help me open this one?
Well, we're going to open one from Gigi.
Okay.
What? Which one's from Gigi? Which one's from Gigi?
The red one.
That one.
The red one. That's the one.
Yeah. Isaac, me and you have to open it. You open it, I'll open it. No, I will open it. You open it, Isaac. When you open it, I'll open it.
Need some help, honey?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can pull it over.
I will help you open this one.
Isaac, you can pull the ribbon off. Slide it off. There you go. Good job.
Whoa!
Is it from Gigi?
Whoa!
You needed me close, so this is a good thing, trust me.
Whoa!
What do you say to Gigi?
Thank you, Gigi.
Which one's your favorite? Actually, I think this one looks kind of cool. You know what this looks like, actually? A baseball shirt.
It does.
This looks like a baseball.
You can wear it playing baseball with your new batting tee.
Cool.
What's next?
That's cool.
Okay.
Turn my phone.
What do you think it is?
And open it. I don't know.
I think it's a elephant.
You know what? I am going to go get the scissors.
Oh.
That's a start.
What?
Good job.
Just to start?
That's a start. I think Mom's going to have to help you with the scissors on this one.
Okay, come here.
Whoa! Baseball! Oh. Where's
Let him open it, Carter, and we'll find out. An elephant? Yeah, maybe. That's what Daddy said. Looks like it could be the same size as an elephant, right?
Whoa! What is this?
What is that?
Not elephant though.
Carter's like
What is in it?
Play-Doh? Oh, cool.
More in here.
There's more in there?
doesn't help.
There, good job.
Oh!
Who's this from, Mom?
Auntie B?
Auntie B.
Yep.
Oh!
Alright.
Here you are, Auntie B. Ow! How you get ow?
Ooh, fun.
Yummies.
I know, but look at what they have on them.
Dinosaurs?
No, look at these guys.
Oh, fun.
Cool.
It's an Adidas shirt.
What does the shirt say? It says, don't wake me, I'll wake you.
You see it. Cool.
Notice
Okay,
how
now
I
let's
put
open this
my
one.
face.
Let's open this one. Yeah.
Well, okay.
What's this one from, Mommy? Whoa!
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
Those balls for your T-ball set.
Dad, that's all the balls? I didn't do people.
Yeah. So you get to, you get to hit the balls with your bat.
Ow!
Isaac, there was a card from Auntie B.